Okay, weekly update for the markets. Um, Yesterday, Friday, right after the open, I knew something just broke. I wrote that on my socials and earlier on my Patreon page. Um, yeah, at the open here, I was still thinking that this bottom could just hold and then we're gonna move higher. But then the market crashed, and yeah, I knew something wasn't right, and lots of basically all the instruments I had in front of me, all futures, commodities, bonds, um, currencies, everything was going down, right? And that's usually a sign that something major is happening. So yeah, I closed all my longs and started scaling into shorts late in the morning. Um, yeah, so I was already in the last 5 videos, if you have seen them, I was already saying I was short-term bullish, long-term bearish. I think, yeah, this is why I was bearish, because this trend is very exhausted, very extended. Um, yeah, it won't take much for these large, huge reversals. I mean, 5% on the Nasdaq. That's not a normal correction day, right? Um, a few days ago, I was still expecting this channel was just going to continue and possibly even much higher. But yeah, like I said, something broke and we were going already down. Yeah, of course, I would have loved the market to go higher first and then break, because it would have been a lot more profitable for my own trading. But yeah, it is what it is. And the market decided to break Friday, and now we just trade accordingly. So looking ahead, I think the top is in for quite a while. I'm not seeing this. I'm not seeing a new high anytime soon. Um, I think we're going lower, possibly tomorrow, probably tomorrow, and if not later in the week. And then from there on, we just need to see how things are developing. Yeah, it will also depend on fundamentals. If we see any weakening on fundamentals, Iran issues, Hormuz issues, um, yeah, anything can happen. SpaceX, maybe it's going to drain a lot more liquidity. We have to see what happens. But for now, I just think that we're going lower, and we we could it could be the start of something really major that later on in the year we're gonna lose like 50%. We could also, like this, if the fundamentals keep being good, and then yeah, I could also see down first. Possibly, if we're going down, possibly we're going to close these highs, right? And if the market decides to hold, we are going sideways, then two options. We will monitor. If we go sideways, we may dip. I think that's a little higher probability. And if we go sideways and the market doesn't want to go down, fundamentals stay good, and then we may go up again. But for now, I just think we're going lower, and you need to be short. Absolutely no reason to be long this market, because yeah, the odds are like 70% we are going lower here. All right, going to the next video. Going to SNDK and mu.